Florida vlogs. Today is Sunday. We're heading to Animal Kingdom today. It's our last day at Animal Kingdom. So we're going to try and get everything done. It's open till 8 today, so we've got a bit of a later start. It's just gone 12, so we're going to be there till park close. We're going to try and meet some characters, do Flight of Passage. We haven't done Dinosaur yet. Lots to do. Let's go to Animal Kingdom.
Slightly southwest. Over at the dinosaur.
Brayden, you gotta order. We're at Restaurantosaurus. I've gone for the kids chicken nuggets. They're under there somewhere, and fries. And then I also went for a little pack of graham crackers to try. And then you also got a little book, which is quite cute. So yeah.
And then we'll have your sample left.
Dale, súbete acá. Dale.
We've got shake, Everest cupcake, and a Dino Dig ice cream sandwich to try. This looks so good. So we tried all our snacks. The ice cream sandwich was my favourite. That was amazing. The small shake was pretty good, but the drink itself was quite warm, which wasn't the best. And the cupcake was really nice. It was like a matcha cake and then a chocolate buttercream, but the matcha kind of made it less sweet, because the cupcakes haven't been my favourite so far. They've been like really sweet, but that one was good. So yeah, we couldn't quite finish it all though. Our eyes were definitely bigger than our stomachs, but we just wanted to give everything a try. We've got a little while now till our Flight of Passage return time. It was like over a 2-hour wait, so we're gonna head to look at some animals first, I think. that's our 2-year-old right there. She's the youngest. She's the baby. And then in our bachelor troop, we have 4.
The light, mate. Brother? Here for remember to drive to yourself and guide you guys.
Come on in, family. Your back's gonna live right and shut.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. What a cute backpack. Oh my goodness, I know. She just looks even cuter with the backpack almost. Perfect. Bailey, we're gonna look at our camera first. Yep.
Come to you. I'm coming to you.
And ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin. I just can't wait to be here.
Folks, how you doing? Don't worry, you're all fine. Tomorrow's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Simone! Glad you can make it. We can't have the celebration without you. Don't worry, friend. You'll get your time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. To be king. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hello, Kumba.
Look at me. I'm in a parade.
And you're looking good. Lucky Kumba.
There he is, the mighty Pachyderm. Let me hear you, trumpet.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Hey, everyone, look, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You are right on time.
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go.
Reach over and sing.
Let us sing.
Let's hear it in the hood all the way. It's gonna be in Simba's finest. Simba's finest ring. Oh, I just can't wait. All together, 1, 2, 3. Our lions and warhogs against your giraffes and elephants. Your sections will sing the Bimba ways, and we'll do the hard part.
And that part would be...
Kabibi,
That's right, all our lions and warthogs will...
Sing the melody. So, if you finish with all the talking, can we start already?
All right. Let's take it from the top.
Picture in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Let me hear you sing.
at their little outpost. They were really cute. Minnie loved my bag. I've got my Safari Mini lounge today, and she loved it. And then we've got our Lion King shirts on, and they pretty much acted out the Lion King story. It was really cute.
No, his name's not Joe.
And then we went and watched the Festival of the Lion King, which is always one of my favourite shows here. Well, in the whole of Disney. I just love it. And now we're gonna go and do Everest. I'm not sure how long the wait is, but Flight of Passage was amazing too. That took us about 20 minutes to get on, I think. So that wasn't too bad. And we'll see how long Everest is. I made a purchase. Disney Crocs! I'm so excited. I've really wanted a pair of Crocs, and I saw these Disney ones and I had to get them. So, as you can see, we're back in the room now. It's about 8 o'clock. We've been to get a drink in our refillable mug. A bit of an early night. We've got a long, full day at Universal tomorrow. We had a really good day at Animal Kingdom. Everest was really good. We were sat right at the back. I've never sat at the back before. It was definitely more intense at the back, but I loved it. And then we ate at Flame Tree Barbecue, which was good. We had the platter. I tried the pulled pork, that was good. I had the chicken off of it, which was really good. And we had onion rings and they were amazing. It was a good day in Animal Kingdom. I also picked up a little Mickey Rice Krispie treat to try, as I haven't tried one of these yet. And I feel like it's iconic Disney snack, so you gotta try one. It's really good. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment down below and subscribe if you did, and I will see you next time.
Go on holiday. Sunnier than London, that's not hard.
Okay, sunnier than London?
Wow.
Come on.
So, anywhere.